Good morning, literals. In this video, we are going to discuss about the chapter Why Do We Fall Ill? Okay, so all of you know why do we fall ill and what are the causes of falling ill या हम बीमार क्यों पड़ जाते हैं, क्या उसके ऐसे रीजंस हैं. ठीक है, तो let's discuss some points and topics to be discussed in this chapter. So can anybody, as we know that due to the various reasons we fall in. Now the main reason nowadays is because of that everybody is sitting at home, right, and working from the home. That is a small organism which even we cannot see. That is the main cause of the illness, right? So all of you know that is a microorganism, and we know that microorganism cannot be seen. So that is the cause of this pandemic. So let's come to this chapter. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about the health, disease and its types, causes of disease, antibiotics, principle of treatment, principle of prevention. Okay. So what are the conditions for good health? If practically we see that what are the conditions required for good health? Child, as a student, nowadays you all are feeling sick, sitting at home from last 7 months. Now, some of you have playgrounds near by your colonies or in your nearby your residential areas. So you wait for the time to play, and you every day most of the boys, they are fond of cricket and games, so they go and they feel healthy and happy also. This health is considered or connected with our happiness also, right? So in this chapter we will study about the conditions for good health. But before discussing what are the conditions for good health, we must know what is health, right? So what is health? Suppose you are just observing a person, and by observation if you see, आप किसी को देख रहे हैं और उसको देखकर ही बता दे रहे हैं कि ये हेल्दी है, इज इट राइट? Maybe that person who's sitting in the in any area, or we can take a very simple example of our classroom. Maybe the students, 30, 40, 50 students are sitting in the classroom, and everybody is looking fit and fine. Maybe one or two or three may have, some of them have, among the 30, 40 students, maybe some of them are having headache, some of them are having eye pain, maybe stomach ache. So by observing only you cannot say that that person is fit, right? So according to the WHO, all of you know what is WHO? World Health Organization. World Health Organization has given the definition of health, that is state of complete physical, mental and social well-being, right? State of complete physically you have to fit, means all the body parts, either these are external or internal, if each part is working properly, that is physically fit. Mentally fit, you don't have any tension, or your mental growth is proper, or you you can work properly, right? You are not a special need the type of child, right? Some students, they cannot work, or some they are not independent. They always require some support, right? Somebody has to sit along them, or somebody has to read for them, somebody has to write for them. So they are not mentally fit, but physically they are fit. Their organs are working properly, they are having a proper diet, they are working, they can walk properly, they can talk, and but mentally they are that they cannot respond properly. Okay, so they might be mentally sick, right? So, and third is social well-being. All of us are living in a community or a society. So, very simple, you have friends. So which type of friend you are having? You have more enemies, or you don't have any compatibility with your friends, कोई भी आपको पसंद नहीं करता, that is also a part of health. तो the health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. तीनों चीजें होनी चाहिए उसमें. ठीक है? So let's see the definition now. Health is state of complete physical, mental, social well-being. If a person is not completely physically, mentally or socially fit, so that person we cannot say that person is healthy. Okay. Next is disease. How can we say that this person is disease free or healthy? What is the difference between disease free and healthy? That also we will discuss, right? Now come to the points, objective of this chapter. As I told you that health, now health is, we have just discussed that health is complete complete health is complete physical, mental and social well-being, that is health. So how we can be healthy, right? How can basic conditions for good health, health कैसे हमारी अच्छी होगी? How can we can say that we or the person or the people that can be healthy, right? So that means good health. How can we? So what are the conditions for that? One is proper nutrition. आप अच्छा खाना खा रहे, balanced diet ले रहे, right? Balanced diet, all of you know, adequate amount of all nutrients, that is balanced diet. Okay, proper hygiene, clean environment and surrounding, healthy air, no pollution in the surrounding, regular exercise, proper rest, and good standard of living and economic status. So in this you can see that balanced diet plays a very important role, right? Because it contains all the nutrients. What are major nutrients? Everybody knows what are the major nutrients which are required for body for proper functioning. We can say that you have studied in your prior classes: carbohydrate, proteins, fat, mineral, vitamins. These are the major nutrients which are required for the body. Personal hygiene every day, in our everyday routine. We have to brush our teeth, we have to take bath, uh, we have to be wear neat and clean clothes. Next is our surroundings has to be clean. You have seen that now there is a Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. What is the purpose of that Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? Government is implementing various programs, and one is Clean India, Green India, right? So these are some programs these are related to our health, and we as a responsible citizen, we have to follow these rules. Healthy air, how it could be healthy air, no pollution in surrounding if we follow the rules which are given or implemented by the government. No pollution. You have studied in all your chapters, even in your EVs also, how we can control pollution, right? Nowadays, how pollution is increasing due to the population explosion. Everybody needs a vehicle, and everybody is even for moving or from going from for near distance also they are using vehicles. अभी आपको आपकी मम्मा बोल दे बेटा यहाँ मार्केट से लेकर आओ कुछ, in your colony only you will not you would like to go by your scooter instead of using bicycle, right? So scooter that consume fossil fuel, and fossil fuel, when combustion takes place, all of you know it releases carbon dioxide, which is very harmful and responsible gas for the global warming, right? So regular exercise, that every day we now people are very aware, and government NGOs, they are, and your teachers are just instructing you for the yoga and aerobics, right? So some exercises, regular exercises, everybody has to do proper rest, proper rest. Now because of this pandemic, everybody's the life, the routine is disturbed, right? We all are not waking at right time. So throughout the day, we are busy. We are sitting in front of systems, and that affect our eyes. So and the till late nights you are using your mobiles, and again you just, there is a very common disease among the girls, PCOD, that is also due to the improper lifestyle, right? Good standard of living and economic status. If a person is lack of money, अभी देखो पैंडेमिक में आपने देखा होगा, when there was lockdown at that time, many people, those who were whose lifestyle or living was depend on the regular wages, मतलब डेली वो कमा रहे हैं और खा रहे हैं, तो their life was disturbed, right? They were not having any money. तो गवर्नमेंट ने, प्रधानमंत्री हमारे मोदी जी ने उनके लिए सारी फैसिलिटीज प्रोवाइड कराई in the different states, in the every corner of the India. Same is done by the other in other countries also, right? So this is a very, this economic status, अगर हमारे पास या किसी के पास जब मनी नहीं है तो वो बंदा क्या हो जाता है, sometimes fall sick, because this is also required for the good health, right? This is a part of good health, right? I hope understood. Let's move to next is disease. Of health, when we are said to be healthy, right? When we are disease free, when we are disease free. So what is disease actually? Disease क्या है? What is disease, right? So disease is derived from two words. What are these two words? Dis and ease. It is made from dis, ease, right? This ease. This means what? This ease means what? First, just understand what is ease. Ease का मतलब क्या? Ease means capability to do something, right? So when a person loses the capability or of doing something, a person or any organ of the person or that loses the capability of doing anything, so that is called disease. So you can see here, what is disease? Any disturbance in the structure or function of any organ or part of body, that is called disease. It may cause due to the attack of pathogens, bacteria. You know what are pathogens? The Harmful pathogen means harmful agents, right? Harmful agents जो हैं, these are pathogens. These can be virus, bacteria. Another cause for disease is lack of nutrition. अभी we have just discussed. अभी हमने discuss किया ये. क्या discuss किया हमने? What we have discussed? We have discussed the basic conditions of good health. अगर these conditions will be not fulfilled, then what do you mean? Then a person will suffer from disease. Proper diet, personal hygiene नहीं होगा, clean environment नहीं होगा, healthy air pollution of a person will survive in such a dirty condition. So definitely the person will suffer from some diseases, right? Healthy air, no pollution, proper rest is required. If you have just when there is sports meet in your school, right? So at that time, continuously you people are busy in the sport practices, games and all that race, and so at that time you people, some of you fall sick. पता है क्यों? Right? Because you people are not getting proper rest, right? Good standard of living and economic status. So these are some causes also, because these are the basic conditions. So these conditions will be not fulfilled, so person will definitely fall sick, definitely, right? So in this video we have studied about what is health, what are the basic conditions for the health, and what is disease. In next video we will discuss the types of diseases. I hope you understood all. So see you soon in the next video for the next topic, disease and types of diseases.